Learn Hindi should forms. Should to.
चाहिए,
I should too.
मुझे चाहिए.
Welcome to Should City. Hey, you are about to learn one tiny Hindi powerhouse that gives advice, duty, and gentle pressure. Don't worry, nobody is forcing you to do homework, although the grammar definitely thinks you should. Our star word is
चाहिए,
in English, it often means should. Imagine a polite grandma, a wise teacher, and a very judgmental cat all saying the same thing.
चाहिए,
Example, you should rest now. In Hindi, tumhem aba arama karana.
चाहिए,
We should leave early. In Hindi, hamam jaldi nikalana.
चाहिए,
Students should study every day. In Hindi, chatram ko hara dina parhana.
चाहिए,
So if you hear,
चाहिए,
think gentle advice, not military drama. Meet the cast. Now let's meet the full team of should people. Yes, this is basically a sitcom, but with pronouns. Should equals.
चाहिए,
I should equals.
मुझे चाहिए.
Think. I look at my to-do list and sigh heroically. You should equals.
तुम्हें चाहिए.
Friendly advice, not angry finger wagging. He is supposed to equals.
उसे चाहिए,
She is supposed to equals.
उसे चाहिए.
Same form here in this set, so context helps. It is supposed to equals.
ऐसा होना चाहिए.
We should equals.
हमें चाहिए.
You all should equals.
तुम सबको चाहिए.
They should equals.
उन्हें चाहिए.
A very serious lazy cat. Let's turn these words into a funny story so they stick in your head. Memory loves drama, and apparently also cats. One morning, a lazy orange cat becomes life coach of the neighborhood. He sits on a wall like a furry philosopher and announces, "Everyone, listen carefully." First he points at himself and says,
मुझे चाहिए.
"Nap less and work more." Then he immediately naps for 10 seconds. Next he points at you and says,
तुम्हें चाहिए.
"Study today." Rude, but fair. Then he points at a boy chasing a kite.
उसे चाहिए.
"Come home early." He points at a girl holding 3 books and a samosa.
उसे चाहिए.
"Finish her homework first." Then he looks at the broken garden gate and says,
ऐसा होना चाहिए.
"This is how it is supposed to be." Nobody knows what he means, but he looks wise, so everyone nods. Then he gathers his tiny cat committee and declares,
हमें चाहिए.
"Help them." He turns to a group of noisy kids and says,
तुम सबको चाहिए.
"Listen carefully." Finally, he looks at the whole neighborhood football team and sighs.
उन्हें चाहिए.
Practice more. The cat has spoken. Grammar has been served. Quick pattern drill. Now you repeat in your mind, or out loud if nobody is judging you. And if they are judging you, they probably just need more Hindi. Say, should. Hindi.
चाहिए.
Say, I should. Hindi.
मुझे चाहिए.
Say, you should. Hindi.
तुम्हें चाहिए.
Say, he is supposed to. Hindi.
उसे चाहिए.
Say, she is supposed to. Hindi.
उसे चाहिए.
Say, it is supposed to. Hindi.
ऐसा होना चाहिए.
Say, we should. Hindi.
हमें चाहिए.
Say, you all should. Hindi.
तुम सबको चाहिए.
Say, they should. Hindi.
उन्हें चाहिए.
Mini dialogues with maximum drama. Time for short dialogues. Tiny scenes, big memory. A. I am tired. B. You should rest. Hindi idea.
तुम्हें चाहिए.
Arama Karana. A. What should I do now? B.
मुझे चाहिए.
Finish this first. Yes, even in dialogue, responsibility enters like an uninvited guest. A. What about Ravi? B.
उसे चाहिए.
Ki vaha aba j. A. Is this the correct way? B. Yes.
ऐसा होना चाहिए.
A. What do we do now? B.
हमें चाहिए.
Start early. Teacher, you all should listen. Key phrase.
तुम सबको चाहिए.
A. What should they do? B.
उन्हें चाहिए.
More rest. Memory tricks that actually behave. Here are a few playful hooks to help these phrases stay in your brain. Your brain likes weird stuff, so let's be weird efficiently. 4.
चाहिए.
Imagine a glowing sign on a door telling you what you should do. 4.
मुझे चाहिए.
Point at yourself and whisper, I should probably do the thing. 4.
तुम्हें चाहिए.
Imagine a teacher gently pointing at you. 4.
उसे चाहिए.
Picture one person being reminded of a duty. 4.
ऐसा होना चाहिए.
Imagine a rule book floating in the air saying, it is supposed to be like this. 4.
हमें चाहिए.
See your whole team stepping forward together. 4.
तुम सबको चाहिए.
Picture a coach speaking to the whole class. 4.
उन्हें चाहिए.
Imagine a crowd under a banner of advice. Challenge round. Let's see if you can catch the meaning before I give it away. No pressure. Okay, a little pressure. Polite pressure. What is the Hindi word for should?
चाहिए.
How do you say I should?
मुझे चाहिए.
How do you say you should?
तुम्हें चाहिए.
How do you say he is supposed to?
उसे चाहिए.
How do you say she is supposed to?
उसे चाहिए.
How do you say it is supposed to?
ऐसा होना चाहिए.
How do you say we should?
हमें चाहिए.
How do you say you all should?
तुम सबको चाहिए.
How do you say they should?
उन्हें चाहिए.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned a whole family of useful Hindi advice phrases. That is real progress, and yes, you should absolutely be proud. Today you practiced.
चाहिए. मुझे चाहिए. तुम्हें चाहिए. उसे चाहिए. ऐसा होना चाहिए. हमें चाहिए. तुम सबको चाहिए.
And.
उन्हें चाहिए.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, reuse these phrases in your own sentences, and come back soon. Your Hindi is growing, one smart little
चाहिए.
at a time.